Hi beautiful people, how you all are doing? As for me, I'm fine. Thank you, my returning subscriber. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. My God will continue to bless you. Okay guys, if today is your first time coming across the channel, Miriam Lamzi channel, please do me a favor by subscribing, turn on your post notifications so that you get to notify each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, in today's video is going to be a new thing entirely, like another mind-blowing secret. Again, I'm going to share with you guys. Okay guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, grab your popcorn, anything grabbable, and stay tuned to enjoy. Don't click off, okay? Don't click out. Like, okay guys, thank you. Let's get right into today's video. From the thumbnail or the title is another mind-blowing secret that I'm going to share with you guys, like I always do. Please, that is why I said you should turn on the post notification so that you get to notified by YouTube each time I upload a new video, because I have a lot of mind blowing secret that I'm going to share with you guys, okay? Because this channel talks about natural herbs, okay? And that is what I do talk about mainly on my channel. So turn on the post notification. A lot of it is coming, okay guys? So guys, I'm going to share three tips like this, three tips with you, how you can reduce swollen feet, okay? Swollen feet. Okay guys, let's get right into it. Okay guys, number one tips is drinking a lot of water. Like, yes, you'll be surprised that water, yes, water is life, like we all know. Water is very important in anything we are doing. So drinking a lot of water also help in reducing swollen feet, okay? So that, like, when you take 8 to 10 glass of water every day, like, it's going to help a lot, because by so doing you are like automatically flushing out every bad and unwanted things in your system. So drinking or taking a lot of water every day is very important. It helps build our immune system. Secondly is foot massage. So by massaging the foot is also very important with any moisturizer that you have. But me, I don't know, I prefer shea butter, okay, because that's what my mother used. Okay guys, the fourth one is water, warm water. How are you going to use that? This is what my mother normally use, because my mother is the kind of person that travel from one state to another for business, and if he traveled out like this, the feet will be so swollen, exactly the one you see in that thumbnail. That is how my mom feet or leg will be. So how did my mother get rid of that each time such thing came up? I boil water. Then after we boil the water, I'll add a pinch of salt to it, stir it together. Then my mother will now put her leg in that water. Yes, after you put the leg there, then we'll leave it for like 15 minutes, at times 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we bring it out of the water, we clean it with towel, then we use shea butter to massage it, okay, to massage it. Then we massage it like soft and gently, because it's so painful, okay? It's painful, like the blood is not flowing well. That's what caused that a lot. And sitting one place doing nothing, and it can also cause that, like, you need, that is what you need to get rid of it, okay? So guys, if you find this video very interesting, please share with your loved ones. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you not miss any of my videos. Share any of my video, check down, support my channel, okay? Make this video go viral, okay? Subscribe and don't forget to thumbs up, okay? Thumbs up the video, like the video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.